Yes, so my country people, I agree to now. Arsenal 1 and Manchester City 0. Oga shows that this now the first time when Arsenal they beat Man City for the Premier League since 2015. Count how many years they come. Best when born that time the picking said not even supposed big. How you see the performance from your team today? Because when I even ask you, you be the predict say City go win this game 2-1. And you get one Oga wait on the wait for you, Oga Wale. He talk say in the wait for you after this match, we won't drag you like generator. Wait till you get to Oga Wale.
Well, personally, say I talk about Arteta. Say Arteta not get that bite. And he not get that super
Talking
sub.
about tactics.
Yes, I also talk about his tactics. I believe say maybe he watch my interview. You dey get, so maybe he learn from wetin I talk. So maybe now he use you get for this match. But nevertheless, this will not be the best wey we go fit give City. You dey understand me? The two people they try, because to me they play 50-50. You dey get, and kudos to Arsenal, they try. Now my club, they try. I believe say Arteta watch my interview, so probably he pick some wisdom from my interview. So now make the game be like this.
So what do you get to talk about the performance from Kai Havertz today? One player when Arsenal fans don't they critical of based on that 65 million Arsenal take sign and for some of the games most of the games when he don't play, man, most of the games in performance never live up to that 65 million pound when Arsenal pay. But what do you get to talk about this substitution when he enter and how he changed the game today?
Well, basically, Kai Havertz, why people they criticize him? Number one, na big money. Number two, na because in a Premier League. You don't understand. If na another club now, maybe they not go to criticize him. But this one,
5 million are big money.
no, it depends now. You get some players who see they go other place now. They call this Juventus striker now. We dey see him now. I don't forget Valvich. We dey see the guy now and the rest them. So firstly, he must shop him if he not perform. You don't understand. But now after that penalty, when he look and say the club they in back, the players they in back, it be like say that thing they give him confidence. And if not like this, he won't be. Make we dey sub am. You dey get, forget saying na big player, but if not like this, now you go bring the best of him. More the sub Kai Havertz, may they enter the game from bench, so that at least we will see some sub, we will see some player. Because see, wetin go help Arsenal this season, now something we be say I talked that last time. If we get those super sub from wing, from midfield, then from right back or left back, if we get those super sub, I know say Arsenal will go far. I know they talk about the title, but I know say Arsenal will go far. Because those super sub now waiting go really help us. Because if you watch them last season, the time we need some players and they can't go get injury. So those sub now, so those strong players and we say they go fit deliver. Enter game, called ginger the game. I think I tried today because me basically I not believe say a Martinelli go play. But this other Martinelli play bring ginger because he bring goal come. So that one a good one.
So which player you will give your man of the match for today's performance?
Man of the match, see, today's City game now fine game. It surprised me. You dey understand, because in those days, even though we even draw mass for first half, if they come, they must shop our second. If De Bruyne come, if he work those in magic, goal must come. So today, even Ryan try. Forget that blunder. Ryan try. Saliba, Gabriel. You understand? So might just give one player. Might just give Martinelli the man of the match.
Because now he scored goal.
Now he scored the goal. So might just give out because there are many.
So make I ask you about one incident where happened for the game.
Yes.
That tackle when Kovacic, Man City midfielder, tackle Martin Odegaard for there. You think say that ball is supposed to be red card?
See, the first one with Martin Odegaard, na red card. The second one with Rice, na red card. There's no two ways about it. You show your boot, you tackle the ball not touch your leg. So why not be red card? That one a straight red card. The first one red card, the second one red card. So they're not a debate am. You dey get, take am go anywhere or any panel, any side where you take view am, you show a boot. If na right or left, you show a boot, and he go for tackle. he not go for the ball. To me, he not go for the ball because the ball don't come out for the person leg before he touch the person leg. So what are we saying? Until when they don't use stretcher come out the person before we go see a red card. And I keep players in match. I believe saying do and deliberately. Rice na strong man for us. Odegaard now be the president of Arsenal. So to me, first and foremost, those first red card, second red card, you dey get. So that one yellow card, that one self to me na partiality. All those ones they rob Liverpool and the rest, I bet me they not can give us this season because we not take them. Simple as ABC.
So I want to ask you about you get one comment, especially this comment come for you.
Yes.
You understand? Oga Wole talk out when in the ask where you they main drag you. He talk say you not believe the team. You think say Arsenal fans need to believe the team more this season?
No, not be say I not believe the team. See, normally for football, as a fan, you love your club. You must drag your club when they not they perform to expectation. You they get when they not they bring that ginger. You must drag them. That's why fan go love you. They go see criticize you. You don't understand me? So if we just even when they do blunder, we see they clap for them. Even when if they clap for them all the time, see they're not going to improve. You dey get me? I know say Arteta watch my interview. Now I make a pick from the lesson where we say I drop for that video. He watch am, maybe use another person account he watch am. You dey understand? You know say football Pidgin dey YouTube, dey TikTok, dey everywhere. Maybe use another person and do take watch am. So normally Arsenal fans from Nigeria, Africa, worldwide, we believe our club. But see, watch am now. Last season now we get the league. We lose am. What do you expect us to do? That mistake we don't want to take on this season. You dey get me? So any mistake will come from anybody, we will go tackle around. Even Saka, our goalie boy, if you make mistake, we will see tackle around. A very simple thing. You must learn. That is it.
So for today game, you think say the team miss Saka?
See, make I tell you now one truth. If De Bruyne did that game, the midfield for they different from them. If Saka did the game, it was still be like the way we played the last season. I not miss Saka. May they rest the boy. They get me. May they rest the boy. Sometimes bring something new. Every time not be ogbolo soup. Bring banga, bring bitter leaf soup. More they miss some kind thing. So kind of self, you feel convert your midfielder. May go play 8 or may go play 9. See, Guardiola and I be tactics. So you sometimes shake your leg. You get me? Shake your leg well. Like this one now, so normally before, say Saka day before, now normal our 2 winger with our top 9. But this one now, so Gabriel Jesus can't go Saka wing. You get me? Trust and do. They say, but sit down bench. More they shake their legs sometimes.
So may I ask you about the title race? How you see the title race this season? So far, Arsenal and Tottenham are the team where never lost. But we see what Liverpool they do too. We see what the Baba of them all. Man City, even though they lose against Arsenal today, what they do. How you see the title race this season?
To me, the title race still dey open, because it gets some people will be say, no matter how they lose reach, see the dying minutes, and that time you go see their strength. They get me. Man City na number 1, and with wetin Liverpool they play, with wetin Tottenham they play, make I leave Tottenham because Tottenham they don't see do this kind of wonder one season like that. We not see hear anything from them. But wetin Liverpool they play, that comeback not be my comeback now. You they get me? They not be 1, not be 2. That comeback not be my comeback. To me, the league still they open. And kudos to Liverpool, kudos to Arsenal, kudos to Tottenham, and the rest. Therefore, don't lose. So if not be Jorginho flop when he do, but Jorginho na still my guy. So for now, more leave the title race like that. May they open. I don't know if you predict anybody.
True. So Arsenal next game after the international break, now against Chelsea.
Okay.
How you they see that game? Because we know the Chelsea fans normally their voltage na high tension, but how you they see that game?
My London brothers, what to you? Una know say una leg never still strong. You get me? So not be for our body. See, my prediction for that match, you won't play am. May you go play am. Arsenal go win 2-0.
Mm.
Straight.
Straight.
Straight win for Arsenal.
All right, now, Oga Shosi, thank you for your time.